In today's digital world, data is the new gold. But with so much information flowing in from every direction, how do businesses keep track of it all? Enter cloud data management. Cloud data management is all about storing, managing, and accessing your data anytime, anywhere, and from any device. No more messy servers or stacks of paperwork. It's not just about storage, it's about security. Cloud data management ensures that your sensitive information is protected with top-notch encryption and compliance with industry regulations. Need to collaborate? Cloud data management makes it a breeze. Teams can work together in real time, accessing and sharing data seamlessly. So, whether you're a small startup or a global enterprise, cloud data management gives you the power to harness your data, boost efficiency, and drive innovation, all from the cloud. Ready to take your data to the next level? Explore cloud data management today. Please like, share, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon to get new video updates. Thank you.